Hi, I'm Arlene and I'm a digital content creator. I have my Instagram page where I talk about all things fashion and interiors under the handle Arlene Costello. I live in my self-built home here in County Kildare with my husband Michael and our 3 girls. We have been living in the house for 7 years. It is our first self-built and hopefully the last. And we have a kind of traditional, I think Georgian inspired home with the sash windows and our bay window features at the front of the house. I've always been interested in interiors. I suppose I picked it up from my mum because she loves things around the house too. I'm always picking up like baskets and candles and adding to the little bits and pieces around the house. The theme that I would have liked around the house is that traditional classic country theme. However, we are still doing things room by room, and I'm glad I did that as my style is evolving over the 7 years that we've been here. This is Juliana's bedroom. Juliana's my 4-year-old daughter, and we wanted to kind of create a nice girly and cozy space for her. I wanted to select something for her window dressing that would kind of last the test of time. So we went with this natural herringbone on the main part of the blind, and we've chosen the 2 pink braids down the side, which just adds a little bit of texture and a little bit of fun, I suppose, in her room. So it's a happy medium from my 4-year-old being happy and me, because it aesthetically looks very nice in her bedroom. We chose the Roman blind, which was bespoke made for Juliana's bedroom, and it was such an easy process. I had seen Material World on a lot of creators on Instagram's pages, and I just absolutely loved the look of their fabrics and styles. So when I actually ordered the samples online and I saw them, I just absolutely loved it. It was such an easy process, getting the samples to my own home and being able to just select them, a quick email, and everything was covered off in terms of measurements and the braid detail, etc. And you can choose from different colours or different braid details, or keep it simple. There's so many options. So here we are walking into Isabel's bedroom. Isabel is almost 7 years old, and she wanted like a big girl bedroom, and I wanted to select something that was really luxurious. She has a bigger bedroom window, and I wanted it to feel like a hotel, like just really warm, really cozy for her, and yet be a little bit playful. So as you can see, the little pom-pom details on her curtain just add that little touch of fun to her curtains. So again, I just wanted to choose something that was kind of subtle for Isabel's bedroom, because as she does have her wallpaper, so I wanted something to blend really nicely. And as soon as I saw the fabric, there is an interest in a texture to it, but yet it's subtle. The material of Isabel's curtains are so heavy, they're so luxurious, they're just exceptional quality. The process of the ready-made curtains was so easy. They have the ready-made collection available to view online on their website. I just gave them my measurements, it matched to the ready-made curtains, and they were shipped to me and installed. It was such an easy, quick process. I personally love neutrals, but if you like colours, there's so much to choose from. I think keep your window simple so it's going to last the test of time. But again, home interiors are so personal, so I just think choose what you like. I would highly recommend Material World if you are looking to dress a window and you're looking for a blind or curtains. Definitely check them out. The team are exceptional to help out and give you any advice which you might need, and you won't regret. The materials are just absolutely beautiful, so I would highly recommend them.